The dungeon. Is it both of these? Oh. The floor was wet or?
Huh?
The floor was wet or no?
Yeah, right here. Something definitely leaking.
Yeah, all right. Do we have a ladder tall enough or do I?
Yeah, I think we might, but you might have to bring yours down, maybe.
All right.
Obviously, we tried to open this before.
Look, it's wet as hell. What unit is above this?
Figure.
Man, I can I can smell the freaking mold, dude. I need to get my mask. Oh. It's soaked, huh? We pulled it all down and you have some plumbing right here, but the leak is, all the wood right there is drenched. I mean, it does kind of look wet right there too, huh? Yeah. But the majority of it is right there. Yeah, let's go upstairs. Is this a new or old tenant?
Old tenant.
Whew. Does it smell like dookie in here? Or am I tripping? Whew. Damn. Oh, wow. Is that wet back there? Am I? Nah. Nah.
Concrete, huh?
It's dry as a bone.
You want to turn on the tub and then they go down there?
Yeah. Let's try it. Whoa. I mean, that's got to be where her tub is right there. All right, we were in the wrong unit. We're in the right unit now. So we found the leak. This was just wide open. So every time she showers, it's just flooding down there, huh? I mean, that's gotta be it. How did this come out? Can you ask her?
She said it was glued on there. I was like, no, it's not glued on there.
How did she get this out?
Desde el primer día que me bañé, que llegué aquí,
The first day.
se
Why she
cayó.
never told me? She never told me shit.
Can you ask her why she never said anything?
She said she forgot.
You gotta be kidding me. She forgot? Water would be flying out of here every time she takes a shower. What do you mean you forgot? You gotta be kidding me, bro. There ain't no way. She didn't mind getting sprayed in the freaking face with. Hey, Los. I mean, this is literally what would have been happening every time she takes a shower. Like how? Oh, how did she forget?
That was her fucking abode. What's that shit called? Abode? No. Bidet?
But you gotta be kidding me,
No,
bro.
señor. ¿Cómo se le va a pasar eso?
How did she? How long has she been in here? She's been in here months.
Le pongo el jabón y ahí me meto y ya.
So every time she's showering, it's just flying out of here, and it's so okay. That's gotta be the leak. That's the leak, bro. You can't make this stuff up. I mean, you cannot make this stuff up. You gotta be kidding me.
Bueno, ya sabemos que porque está debajo se está haciendo agua.
All right, so
Se está pasando abajo, está todo mojado.
okay, so we just gotta put this back in. Can't get it to thread in, so I'm trying to clean out whatever this green crud is. I think I'll be able to thread it in. Alright, this is a new one. That one would not thread in, so I don't know what the deal is, man. That one's going in. That's weird. I don't know why that one wouldn't go in. That one's going in. What the heck? What the heck was that, dude? What is going on with this place, bro? Not leaking. Why is it making that sound?
How about the other one?
What the heck? It's just when the diverter is going to the tub spout, but it's not leaking in the back there. What the heck? I have to think about that one for a while. Alright, we figured it out. This was just, so this is, you have a diverter here, so you don't need a tub spout with a diverter. So that was just, so, okay. So that's all it was.
So that's just going to be doing that? Oh.
No. Dang, I just got soaked. Fine now. There you go. You know what? I'm going to tighten this. Just tighten these real quick.
No. Voy a comprar una igual como la que está ahí. Pero que sea nueva.
Tell her to let us know if something's wrong.
Yes, I told her. I was like, what do you know?